Hello everyone, my name is Junbo Wang. Today I will talk about the international journey of DoorDash. This company started in 2013 in Silicon Valley, and in less than the years, it became one of the world's largest food delivery platforms. I will show you how it grew, why it went global, the problem it faced, and its future. Stage 1: Company Profile. Um, DoorDash was founded by four Stanford students in 2013. Its 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 idea was to solve the last military problem for re
Restaurants.
restaurants. Restaurants. It is a platform that contains the company also moved into Canada, Australia, Japan, and Europe through buying wood. This shows DoorDash is not just a US company, but a global one. Next, stage 3: International purpose. Stage 2: International purpose. DoorDash was founded by four Stanford students in 2013. Its DoorDash experiment first it is Canada in 2015, Australia in 2019, and Japan in 2021. In the some years, it brought wood in Europe. This kind of growth is what we call a born global company. It means the company goes around very quickly instead of step by step. Next, stage 3: for global vs offshore. The offshore mid-sea companies expand shows surely starting with near trap and learning for experience. The born global mid-sea companies with a few years using technology and networks. DoorDash is truly global because its green arise connected in less than the years. Next, stage 5. This is a born global vs Upusan model. DoorDash born global future. Yeah. Next stage, innovation and reasons. It DoorDash green because of story resources. Its technology uses AI to plan routes and product demand. Its business model is legend. It works with restaurants' interest of owning time. It had story funding for investor and its IPO. The team of with younger people, younger voters for staff with very expertly. These routers give DoorDash a big advantage in going global. I think DoorDash have a stronger management team. He have a staff student and so and a lot of university great student in present. Next stage have big challenges. DoorDash also had problems. It fell in green because of rulers and story drivers. It had a driver storage in the US. In Australia, it found story combination for Uber Eats and delivery. This problem shows that expanding fat is risked. Next, stage 7, push focus. So why did you DoorDash go global? One reason was push factors. The US market was full of reason and very competitive. Investors also want the company to grow fast and become global. So DoorDash look of green outside the US. So next stage 8, pull factors. There were also pull factors for host market. Canada and Australia, similar control, extra to it. Japan, big cities and new reference needs. Have need challenges in COVID night. People everywhere went online food delivery. These things made no market activities. So next stage, future few year outlook. Looking forward, DoorDash has opportunities and challenges. Opportunities: green in India and Harsha. Expand into growth and rallying and try new tech like doors. Challenges: more rulers for gig works, story combination and pure make up for. Stage State 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, DoorDash is a clear example of the global companies. It grew fast with store technology funding and a entrepreneurial team, but it also faced problems like regulation and store ravens. Its future will depend on how well it can adapt and keep innovating. Thank you for listening. This is Reference.